Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. 5th chapter coordinate geometry. Exercise 5.3, 7th sum. The points A, B, C are the midpoints. A, B, C. So this is B and this one is C. A, B, C are the midpoints of the sides D, E, E, F and F, T of a triangle D, E, F. Show that quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So when we join points like this, we will get a quadrilateral. Four-sided figure we will get. We are asked to show that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. That is A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. We have to check. So for finding the parallelogram, we are having 3 points here. We are asked to if we find this D point, then we can find the midpoints of this parallelogram. When we equate the midpoints, then if it is equal, then we can find the, then we can say that it is a parallelogram. The quadrilateral is a parallelogram we can show. So first we will find this coordinate point. So this is, we will take it as x1, y1. So this point alone we need to find. So for finding that, this is the midpoint of DE. That is A is the midpoint of DE. So we will take D as x1, y1 and E as x2, y2. Okay. So for finding this value, we will be writing the midpoint formula and equate it to -3, 6. The same way for the other 3 sides also we will do. So this we will take it as x3, y3. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to -3, 6. So x1 plus x2 is equal by 2 is equal to -3 and y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 6. We are equating both this. So we get x1 plus x2 is equal to -6 and y1 plus y2 is equal to 12. So this is first equation and this one is the second equation. Now the same way we will do for the other sides also. So x2 plus x3, x2 and x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 0, 7. So x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 0 and y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 7. So we get the equation as x2 plus x3 is equal to 2 into 0, that is 0. Then y2 plus y3 is equal to 2 into 7, 40. So this is third equation and this one is the fourth equation. So now the other side, x3 plus x1 by 2, x3 and x1 by 2, y3 plus y1 by 2 is equal to 1, 9. For that, 1, 9 is the midpoint. So x3 plus x1 by 2 is equal to 1 and y3 plus y1 by 2 is equal to 9. So x3 plus x1 is equal to 2. y3 plus y1 is equal to 18. So this is the fifth equation and this is sixth equation. So now we will solve this. Only this point if we find, that is enough. That is x1 and y1 if we find, that is enough. So for finding that, we will take this first equation and second equation we will take. So first equation is x1 plus x2 is equal to 6 minus 6 and third equation is x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. So now when we subtract this, x2 will get cancelled. So x1 minus x3 is equal to -6. So seventh equation. Okay. So now when we solve this, x3 will get cancelled. We will get the value of x1. So this is fifth equation is x3 plus x1 is equal to 2 and seventh equation is x1 minus x3 is equal to -6. So plus x3 minus x3 will get cancelled. So we will get 2x1 is equal to -4. So x1 value is minus 2. So x1 value, we got it as minus 2. Now we will find y1 value the same way. Second equation is y1 plus y2 is equal to 12. Then fourth equation is y2 plus y3 is equal to 14. When we subtract these two equations, plus y2 minus y2 will get cancelled. So y1 minus y3 is equal to minus 2 we got. So this one, 8th equation. Okay, so now we will take 6th equation and 8th equation. So 6th one is y3 plus y1 is equal to 18. And 8th equation is y1 minus y3 is equal to minus 2. So plus y3 minus y3 will get cancelled. 2y1 is equal to 16. So y1 is equal to 8. So we got y1 value as 8. So x1 is minus 2 and y1 is 8. So after getting this, so we got the value for this. So we'll check the midpoints of this quadrilateral ABCD. So BD and AC are the midpoints. When we equate this, if the midpoints are equal, then we can say that it is a parallelogram. Okay. So midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC. So midpoint of BD is, we got the value for x1, y1 as x1 is minus 2, y1 as 8. So midpoint of these two. So that is 0 minus 2 by x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2. So 8 plus 7 by 2 is equal to midpoint of AC is minus 3 plus 1 by 2, comma 9 plus 6 by 2. So this is minus 2 by 2, comma 15 by 2. So this is minus 2 by 2, comma 15 by 2. So minus 1, comma 15 by 2 is equal to minus 1, comma 15 by 2. So both the midpoints are equal. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So ABCD forms a parallelogram. Therefore ABCD forms a parallelogram. So this is the proof. Okay, thank you.